Hello, good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying. So, in GK, today we will be talking about four important cities of the world. Now, we will be reading from page number 38, which will be describing about the important cities of the world. The cities which we are going to study are from different countries. Now, the first city which we are going to study is New York City. It is in USA. Then we will talk about Amsterdam, which is a capital city of Netherlands. Then we will talk about Beijing, which is again a capital city of China. And finally, we will talk about Berlin, that is the capital city of Germany. Now, New York City is not the capital of USA, but all other cities, Beijing, Amsterdam, Berlin, they are capital cities of respective countries. But New York City is not the capital city of USA, which is Washington DC. So today we will be talking about the most important cities in the world. So let's get started. So starting with the first city, which is the New York City. So let us see what New York City has. New York City is the most populous city of the USA. This global city is the gateway of US that topped the list of most influential cities in the world. So it is the top most influential cities of the world. New York City is the cultural and financial capital of the world. It is also the cultural and the financial capital of the world. Its residents speak about over 800 languages. So this proves that the residents there which are residing in New York City, they speak over 800 languages. This means many people from many countries have migrated to that city, and that is why the residents can speak over 800 different languages. New York City is home to the highest number of billionaires in the world, and it is the city in which the highest number of billionaires, the richest people, live there. Now, this city has the highest number of richest people living in there. It houses the headquarters of United Nations. Now it has the headquarters of United Nations. The view of Times Square, Statue of Liberty, and Empire State Building attracts more than 50 million visitors every year to the city. So the people who go to US to discover or to see new things, they come to New York City for the Times Square building. Then there is Statue of Liberty and Empire State Building, which attracts many tourists from around the world. So let us see some pics for the from the city. Let us see, these are the skyscrapers. It is the city which has the maximum number of skyscrapers. Matlab, skyscraper means it is the city which has the highest number of tallest building. Most of the buildings are very tall, and these are all skyscrapers. Now the city is very like it's a populous city, one of the populous city, and see many we can see different types of people moving around, people with 800 languages. This again shows that many people from different countries have migrated to this city. Then New York City is home to the highest number of billionaires in the world. We can see some of the billionaires. We can see President Trump here. Then different billionaires are there which are residing in this city. Now this is a Times Square building. Then we have Statue of Liberty. Then Empire State Building is this. Times Square, you can see Times Square, then Statue of Liberty is there, and Empire State Building is also there. Now this was all about New York. Now let's move to next city, which is Amsterdam. So what is like we will know what the city tells, what does it have. So moving to Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital city of Kingdom of Netherlands. So Amsterdam city is the capital of Kingdom of Netherlands. It is one of the top financial hub of Europe, housing businesses groups like Philips and ING. Now Amsterdam city is the, it is the capital city of Kingdom of Netherlands. Then it is one of the top financial hubs of Europe. क्योंकि ये यूरोप में लाई करती है, द कॉन्टिनेंट यूरोप, तो ये पूरे कॉन्टिनेंट का इट सर्व्स एज द financial hub of Europe, housing big business groups like Philips and ING. The city is considered the best place to live due to its high quality of living, encompassing education, health, and housing amenities. Now, the city is also considered as one of the best city to live, to reside in this, because it has a very good quality of education, health, then and housing amenities are also there. Amsterdam is the cultural capital of Netherlands and is home to two of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Now, in Amsterdam, we have two World Heritage Sites also, Canals of Amsterdam and the Defense Line. So, Defense Line and Canals of Amsterdam, they have been covered by the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and these two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, they are in the city of Amsterdam. The city is also home to the oldest stock exchange market of the world, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. So it is the presently it also houses the oldest stock exchange, which is also known as the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. So this was all about the city. So let us see different pictures of the city. See, the city seems to be very beautiful. Now this is the building which has Philips ka ye official building is there, you can see. And ING, two buildings, two business houses, topmost business houses, they have their offices in Netherlands, Amsterdam. Then these are the canal system is very famous. These are different boats or ships which are moving in the canal. Then we have other business, this is Amsterdam University College. Then other buildings are there. Now this is the location of Amsterdam. We can see Belgium, another country which shares the boundary with Amsterdam. Then we have Germany, which is sharing the boundary with Netherlands, and Amsterdam being the capital city of Netherlands, Kingdom of Netherlands. Then this is Rotterdam is also one of the place which attracts thousands and thousands of tourists. So Amsterdam being the capital city of Kingdom of Netherlands, it is located here. And the countries which share boundary with the Netherlands is Germany and Belgium. These are two other big countries of Europe. Now moving next to the next city, which is Beijing. Now let us see what Beijing has, what Beijing we what is, what do the city has. Now, Beijing is the capital city of China, as I had already told you. Beijing is the capital city of China, and it's one of the most populous cities in the world, and one of the most populous cities in the world. This historical city is the political, cultural, and educational center of China for the last 800 years. Now, the city itself is very populous. Then it is the cultural, political, and educational center of the country for the last 800 years. Beijing is the hub of the networks of highways and high spread railways. Now the city boasts for very efficient highways and high speed railways. It is home to more than 50 Fortune and 500 companies and over 100 largest companies in China. If we see the Chinese company, then this city Beijing has almost 50 Fortune and 500 companies and over 100 largest companies which are in China. They are located in this city of Beijing. Now, its famous places of interest are the Temple of Heaven. Now, the famous tourist attraction of this city is the Temple of Heaven, Then we have National Center of Performing Arts and the Beijing National Stadium. So three tourist attractions are there: Temple of Heaven, then National Center of Performing Arts, and finally the Beijing National Stadium. So let us see some more pictures of the city. See, you can see the city seems to be very very large, and we can see many high rise buildings. Then this historical city is the political, cultural and educational center of China for the last 800 years, as I have already told you. Then this is the network of, this is underground, which is known as tube. This is underground railway network, and over this picture you can see lot of highways and flyovers are made. Then we can see the buildings. Then the Temple of Heaven, which attracts many tourists. Then we have National Center of Performing Arts. Then we have Beijing National Stadium. All these are the tourist attractions which are present in the capital city, Beijing. Now, now let us move to the fourth city, which is Berlin. Berlin, as I told you, it is the capital city of Germany. So let us see details about the city. Berlin is the capital city of Germany, located on the banks of river Spree. So the city is located on the banks of river Spree. It is the largest city of Germany with over 6 million residents from over 180 nations of the world. Now, like New York City, this city also has residents from around 180 nations. Now, Berlin is a historical city with rich cultural and political heritage. It's a historical city. Berlin is known for its splendid fairs and festivals. So, Berlin is also known for its fairs and festivals. This means they have a lot of fairs and festivals, and people come out to celebrate it. And we can see more carnivals. Now, it is home to the high tech IT, then pharmaceutical, bioengineering firms, and creative industries like media and entertainment. Also, it is home to high tech firms, then pharmaceutical companies, biopharmaceutical companies. Then we have the creative industries like media and entertainment are also there. Berlin Fashion Week, Berlin Air Show, and the architecturally diverse monuments are the major attractions of Berlin. तो बर्लिन में ज्यादा देखने को क्या है? बर्लिन फैशन शो which attracts thousands of tourists. It's a yearly fashion show. Then we have Berlin Air Show and architecturally diverse monuments. Different monuments are made there, which also attracts thousands of tourists yearly. So let us see some more pics of the city. See, you can see the location. On one side is, it is like it is it shares boundary with Poland. Then we have Czech Republic. Then I can see, the picture is not very clear. Let us see if it like is. No, again I'll just move. This is the city, you can see the city. Then we have like people from different nations, people from around more than 180 countries, they come and are residing in Berlin. Then these are the pics from the festivals or fairs, carnival ka dauran. This is the center of performing arts. Then we have other building monumental structures which attracts many tourists. These are again pics of some carnival or fair. Now different it is located on river Spree, so we can have boating also. Then different structures or buildings are there. Then these are the pics of the sea. These are the pics of the Berlin Fashion Show, which is an yearly event. Then we have different monuments, and then there is a pic of air show, which is also very very renowned or known air show, and it also attracts many tourists around the world. Now, this was all about today's class. We have learned about four important cities of the world. The first was New York, which is in USA. Then we talked about the Amsterdam, which is the capital of Kingdom of Netherlands. Then we talked about Beijing, which is again a capital city of China. And finally, we talked about Berlin, which is also a capital city of Germany. So this was all. Now I will just read some facts are already given in the chapter. We have exercises. Name the capital city of China, that is Beijing. Which city is home to the highest number of billionaires of the world? It is New York City. Where is the temple of heaven located? Temple of heaven is located in Beijing. So all these questions you can easily do from your book. Please do the exercise and read the contents from the book. So this was all about your GK class. Do your work, do your questions, and please join Google Classroom. uh, Most of you have not joined it, so it is a request, please join Google Classroom. So this was all for today. Now I will just close. Stay happy and stay safe.